not
you
a
bring your
warm
son,
blanket.
some dirty people on the live talk about you if you come take care of your pitney. Alright, let me tell you, break it down phone, you know. You see, do it, son.
I really like the son. I really want to come with that. Eh?
Listen, him
Well,
well
I
taken
make it
care
clear
of.
for them. I did make it clear to whom I did for make it clear to. Maybe make it clear for whom. Yeah? I don't know how I'm going this story, Sean.
Don't baby, no, let me say it, baby, let me say it. You don't get it
Alright, you
I
talk.
say it.
You talk.
Because I like to care about people's names. So the care go tell Dewey baby mother said, me said. She's
and I want him to
capable
can
of
beat me.
looking after. Do we wait now, baby? She's well capable of looking after her child financially, mentally, physically, and emotionally. She's in America, the United States. Doing my husband is working himself to the top that she can mind your pitney the way you want. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. Him talk to him son, and him build a band with him son. When him come to Jamaica the other day, him see him son. So you can't tell people how to run no life, yes sir. You can't take out of my husband pocket. No, put in a blood clot pocket. Him a bill himself, and when he bill himself, him son get all of the million and trillion.
Well, I make it clear to them. I make it even better.
Good job. See, like how enough time I pick them want something and the poop and I give them and I pick
you
them.
See,
I love my blood clot.
I say no say chatting. I say no people are chat. Let me talk now crazy. My time. Hold on, my time. Yeah. I tell my baby mother the other night I can't talk on the live because I not hide from. Uno can come on the live and tell me say me nah mind me you. That simple mean. Baby mother chat and the whole of now blood clot chat. So make me blood clot chat to come my back broad to the fuck do no. Listen me good now. Me now go there Jamaica and send $100 $50. That is too much for me. Yeah? In a real life. No matter what. Me now go do it because me never born come see. People are send money from yard to foreign. A foreign send money come my yard. Yeah, and me break it down for Uno again. Well, me break it down for Uno. You see, when my son did just born, me get him for about 6. Me have him for about 6 months. You see me? I have him for that 6 months there. I have to big up my mother. I have to big up my mother because in a real life she did that for me too. You see me? Anyway, me have to find it for 6 months when him there on my foot. Me have to find it. I could ask no baby mother for nothing. Because she tell me straight. Go to me girl them. You hear that I have my son for 6 months. She never helped me. So how they help me for this right now? I have to tell you. I have to send what you not have go give them. You know. Hey, you know send a man nobody get my bum. Hey. Hey, that me can't deal with doing it to you know. You love walk and chat you know. Hey, me telling you. Baby. When you know about this, I want the bumper clock to know about this. Eh? Me tell my baby mother already and I can't talk it now because she dey on the live. If you want my mind my son, send him come on my foot. Me keep him till me dead. I mind that too. I want him here. Then I go stay at Jamaica and send no money. When we go to England it will change. But for now, until me feel like listen, baby. Do it not proud of you. He's a good dad. Are you not in control? Man, mind them you. I wish he that now go there Jamaica. I want him, man. You know, come off a live with no fuck if you don't have nothing to do here. Do it. Tell him some married to you. So any one done, mister. One done. And a poppy done. And if it ever take me a millionaire for dog reach on my foot, me wait the millionaire the car work. Me have composure. I know for all it. I want him to. Nobody never know me not hear from him for a year, but my wife and my family member them. I hear me told it. And the company internet a broadcast the thing. I want to and I can't style me thing. I style me. Do it that side. I love you. Yes. When I do, I see a ball in and I say, I miss Papi Dan and I feel so guilty. I want Dan and a Papi Dan, you hear that? No matter what I tell him or whatsoever, remember me tell you that. One Dan, you say the Dan favor me. Dead stamp, splitting image of you, your ears, your forehead, your eye, your nose, everything. And I want hear them, and them don't make him talk to you. I say, do a prayer. I mean, do a prayer. I say, do it. All who do you wrong, forgive them. Don't hold no grudge. You know, can't break down my man. I want to know. I want pure woman.
I for no one pussy clap money on my husband. So tell me, when send the legacy, but have to come to me, respect me. Anybody.
And she not sending nothing neither. That
She
me
don't
tell
want
you.
blood clot, no. She just want make problem.
Bumbo clot day. Me make it plain to her. She a rich mother. Oh, kawa. In a real life, mama do up her body and stay good and go on with herself. The doll's out. So she capable. If you're not capable, she send him come. Send him come.
Make you come America, come work and help her. I'm so joking. You're not killing her right nobody at Jamaica. You're humble. Do him love you. You're humble. Blood clot the night when they tell me say you have $70. I say do it. Or the fuck if you have $70. I say crazy no but matter and I'll buy an orange juice. One liquor 70 fucking Jamaican fucking dollar. I see him there. My fucking customer say why? Him not tell me say $70.
I would have put solar. Two tappers, $23 out. Hey, yeah, one of them. Blood clot, one of them borders out. One thing you can tell you.
Yeah. Every girl out there.
That's soon gone in, man. We not deal with Dolly, a queen we deal with. A queen we deal with, we not deal with Dolly, know that. Dolly have to today, queen of favor, know that. I suck on yourself. I'm fucking with you about dolls out. Dolls out. Dolls out. Dolly have to today. Tomorrow and forever for your queen, know that. Yeah, man, I mean that mama talk less, more action, you know. Yeah, I know for MIA pandemic, you know. I when I watch out my Instagram, and I watch out my page, man, we know for MIA pandemic.
But do you see the same argument the Dancehall though? You see them cock up on the live though.
Them cock up on the live crazy. Fuck them cock up on the live, you know.
Yeah, well the queen there here.
Big idiot, them. Big idiot.
By law, the law go tell me, say, listen, that's your husband child. So if you not respect now, you just want to tear down my husband, you don't know why, not no. If the last time you bear me, I'm say, if you know why money come to me, you know don't harass, do it, send, do it, go do no blood clot teeth, and then the right, but do it as scammer, do it as this, do it the queen's husband. And him a musician, and him gonna reach further and further. And not till when him reach where there, nobody now draw him out, him got teeth and getting a no blood clot trouble, not too wicked and can't.
Woman ring crosses them man. I want thing I want to tell them to you know. Well Anna, let me give them a talk. Move your blood clot, come off my life.
Yeah man, and the poor man allow the youth alone and make him proud. Man, not too bad man and cover.
Yeah man, well Anna, I want to make it clear to them again. You know. You see me? That's why we said 3 the hard way. 3 seal the deal. You see my mother. You see my mother. No matter what. You see me? That lady there. I got ever the right, you see.
Great lady.
No matter what. You see me? You see my boy, my Dan, my son. Yo, you see him? Yo, come out from right there, sir. Private number, knock off yourself. My son, my Dan can't come from right there, sir. I done that. You see my wife again? When me tell about 3 piece. You see how my deal feel? You see how my deal feel? 3 the hard way. Ramp with none of them 3 there right now. I tell you. Me take a charge. Me take a charge, man. Know that. Yeah, man. I'm a team. I'm a team that. I'm a team, know that. I'm a team. Crazy, you know, so man, I make them know say, I want team, I'm in a ramp, I'm in a laugh, neither. But through them see me skin up my hearty teeth, man, I want to. A girl, you come from the live, I talk about mine, in front of me for coming, boxing PC face. And she say, oh, you know about me? Eh? To see my face and now check and now, I hold the man. I wouldn't feel like I stand up and me fight every day. So I fight out to the mom and the father, man. It's a blessing because I just hope my doing sister in that fall. I suck on myself again. See,
amen.
Watch it.
Do we have the love to share each other? Them want to tear with them and them can't tear with them because we love us feel everything with them do. Yeah. They must think a plan married or plan love this. Not even me and do it can't stop that love. Yeah. That's how great and powerful that love that is. All if you want to change your mind, it can't change. It gone too
To
far.
them him sat there to bomb buckler and he still find time when you do no house chores and have a bag of things to deal with. Still find time to come over life to give trouble. None never we been at about this negative. That's why all you can't better in a life, you know. That me telling you see. When you see you do good tomorrow and tomorrow be crosses and sitting reach, you know. Cause I love people business too much. When you fear fix phone on now watch what people think. You fucking idiot.
Do it every day. Right now, me know that take your son and have your son at Jamaica. No make nobody make you feel guilty unless that's a man. Cause me dead with you and see you suffer for 1
Crazy.
year. Them lock down
Crazy.
them
I want you
fire,
to
your
see
son
man.
set
I
on
hate from
fire,
the
them
man.
not look fire,
I
me
hate that.
prayer. And when my daughter dead.
Remember when me have my son, you know, me have to find that, you know, anyway, me have to find that, you know. Remember me give all the joke too. When him just come, cause me never know him a come, him come. Him come 2019, August. When him come, me never know him come, and when him reach him me say him there, him and him uncle come. You see me? And when him go Sabupa and reach her, did he make him stay there on him? I don't quite remember. I'm go for him. And crazy, me go for him, me never to stay in away at the minute. And me say, hey, my dad there, you know. One my dad on my foot, and me go for him. Same time, take him from him grandmother. And have the man for about 2-3 days. When me know me can't hold it, me know my G can't hold it, because me young. You understand me? I say, so I just do the right thing and carry back and grandmother and make sure know say I come back for him, because I'm not too strong enough. You see me? See, I go Sabupa and care about the man. Yo, my baby mother class me go. And she class me come. This, that. All my son come from foreign. And before me have him, me no want to keep him on baiting. She make my ball, me not like it. My ball.
God.
You see me cry, living in water. Me I say, Judge star. Boy, me I tell her, when me I try to do the right is that me still a do blood clot, but I'm still say, I want to tell you, say, I think I 2 days me meet pass and I go back for him. And see, from go back for him, I swear to you, never go back over him grandmother to when him mother come. Me have him for 6 months. Remember one time, me and my baby mother on the phone and I run a joke and I say, send me a 50 there. I don't know that we can start. Mama say, oh, don't ask me for nothing because I'm not give nothing. Because I say, girl them, I'm not afraid to talk. Take. Me live to see tea with Turner now. Hey, that. Oh, me tell you already. If you want my mind, you would send him come on my foot. If me feel like in myself, I'm not going to play an idiot. That me I tell you. I'm taking a program from you when you tell me for this and when you tell me for that. You never have been a techno program, you know. That me I tell you. Unfair game play twice, yeah?
Truth. Baby, do it. Listen, I come see your baby mother, and as I always tell you, say, do your baby mother.
And I want thing I can't tell make the live here too. You never hear tell me nothing about my baby mother. They always I say call her, me I say you and I say me call nobody man. I hear that always. They get me. Say in a real life, you never do nothing wrong. I never do
Never,
nothing
I
bad.
said, do it forgive her for not making the ear from the child for 1 year. And do it, say, me no want you know, me say, do it, and your baby mother, she's a part, the baby's a part of you and a part of she. Because do it that now, because do it, the last time she come to Jamaica, do it, go look for the pitney, and she not make, do it to the pitney. And then she go back to foreign and she lock down the baby for 1 year. You know how much time my husband cry for him son. Them come from me DM in a fake page and say, do it now, mind them pitney, and me say, me we go no money. But no want no money because your baby mother in a good job. She a girl, she do body as her friend or she right. Dolly body, she a dolly body, she a girl, she drive, she have the whole works. If you know did want money, you know that take the £100 I'm telling them that go good. No not take it to no one antagonize you. Love him. If you know want money for the little boy, me we go no money. Cause my husband. So whatever is mine is for my husband. No, make no sense. So no one shame me and do it to say, oh, do it now, mind him. Do it now, I got shame. Cause do it hurt and scare. Because he can't get him little son, him one little son. So it hurt him, so him just humble himself. When I say do it, send your baby mother a text and tell her, say, you appreciate her as a baby mother, but she forgive you that band there with your son. She shall stop the band. Me never wish you bad, not yet, lady girl. Never. I don't even know you. I heard of you, but me that a woman a whole grudge against woman. And that I do a little Dan where him love him little son. So because the man get me, but you never want the man. In the day I said you didn't want the man. And now, and remember you and the man never there, so me get do it single, you know. When me get do it, you know, you now look and do it, you know. So me never take do it from nobody, you know. So at the end of a good day, when you see where I strive and whatever do we a bill for your son as well, don't fight him down. Cause we not get today, you're gonna get tomorrow. The little boy named Scarlett, that's his youth. Don't come here me and tell no lie to me loud and sexy, I'm awful. I know when you give me a basket for carry water, me and do a prayer. Ask do it. I turn on the summer, I'm all do it and I mean do it. I say do it. Pray and beg God for make you can call your son. And when my daughter dead the 6th of October, and do a son reach a Jamaica the 7th. And the first thing I said to Father God, I not even swear, Mr. God, it's like how do we baby mother there at Jamaica and Rochelle dead. May I beg you talk to the baby mother and make you take Rochelle death in consideration for make do it seem pitney. The man when do it call me and say, Papa Dan come look for me. And I kiss God. And I say, God, me love you. Because it's a burden to me. Because you me and him share love and make him not see the youth. And all me there I jump on a prance. It scare me. But me stand by my husband. So I'm not company has to come make no mischief like you know want to tear down the youth. You know, stop it. Do it. I one of the best humblest youth God put on God earth. And so you know him humble. You use the little youth as metal against if you don't want money, on a cousin and a friend tell him, me will send money, come give on a pit me a week. When you don't want it. No come tell no lie for my husband. Love him. Me and my husband do it sang them. Ask do it. And me and do it do mountain top. And me and do it do me I live my life. And me and do it do 2 little line out to pop up. Because when him come in, me already done pop up. And when me and him all are meds and him say do it, you know, say you have good energy. And no love we make him grow, man. Love we make him grow and stop telling lie. You there friend, you drive big car, you know, big job, you do body, whatever. You're not in need. When me there in England and I make money and me tell my baby father give me 5 pounds and say, Jay, you're alright. You're not in need. Stop it. Stop it. I made it half on 100 pounds and there at Jamaica and I never take it. So when you want to come for life, come exalt on yourself. When you go and leave the youth alone, and when you guys see me and him, and God is going to make him the righteous. So I bet you when him send the money, you not going to want it. Me I bet you when him start make money, as you think him not going to thief and get in no trouble. For my nobody, you know, stop it. But me know idea going to come when him make film own. When him can make it strong and say, hey, see me send you 1,000 US, what gonna be the problem then? When you not gonna want to take it, you gonna say this, you gonna say that. You're not in need, stop it. Even if you're in need, you know the position that your baby daddy in. Don't come here and try to embarrass me and my husband. Come and stick by my husband. If you shame me, shame me. I wanna come for my life and write up because you know so do we're going to him shell. No matter what shell do, we're going to it's my bites. I don't want to
me going to
prayer.
Not going to no shelf, no. That me I tell them, my wife alone, me going to shelf. I'm my son and my mother. Fuck off.
Do you ever sexy like? I'm not even like when you get mad, baby, you know?
Hey, no, my mother right now,
somebody make you feel guilty.
Calm and collective. Calm and collective, please.
I know you are. Remember the day when you run one link and
you were going. You see if I no puppy. Hear me, you see if I no. What I want the name, I forgot to gear. The gear with the name there. That one there when I know gender.
Oh, confused Empress.
Yeah, man. If I not confused Empress. What them name? What they call themselves? The dolls out. The dolls out. We find out, no, man. Enough. Enough and plentiful.
As you come on the live, them jump. When them not up on my phone, I call, them they are sad type. I saw no sad, I saw we important. We are trending. We are trending. We are relevant. But can you not break us? No. So the more no trouble we are, the stronger we get.
Hey, I realize.
You know how much blood clot people may get £100, £50, £200, £300, how much a pound? What it is to give in £100 for do his son? It's my son too. All no like so I said that my son to cause it's my husband child. So now come with an audience. Like you know, so Queenie and do it upon the live and them say doing now and him son. Loud the man, I make the man prosper. I want to know one and wash the other. When I come at Jamaica, I make sure I get him license. I make sure I get him passport. Me and him work together. He make sure so him carry me go up a Ministry of Justice. Go get the license for the marriage. We work together. But you and him there 7-8 years ago. Why you never help him take out one passport, motivate him? Alright, him itch up on a blood clot bleach. Me say, well, if you have bleach, make bleaching cream. Me make a difference in my husband's life. See him having bleaching over there. Come on. Stop tearing him down because when he reach somewhere in a life, your son are going to inherit it. And you know, in need of it. You just want to discriminate my husband. Bomba clot, there's so much people up on the life. 600. I first must see 600 people upon the life.
Keep going.
Do me tell her say she miss you? She go like she not miss you. She miss you. She send her friend and her cousin them and she over me play every time. Man. When I'm in my DM, eh?
Entourage, you know.
When I'm in my DM, them in my DM. Come on, man, don't stop it, man. You know what's being father out there? Have them picnic. Have them picnic at them position and and can't get them. Do it tell the same I go buy a ticket for the baby. Do it. Me I go buy a ticket for my son. No, I send the picnic. So when I come from life, come talk for the go man. The man want him son at Jamaica. Since as him now mind him picnic. Make him buy the ticket, send the picnic guy to Jamaica. No, do that, but no one come right up. No go man, me do it. We got married again.
No joke. No joke.
Yeah man. We have to come to England, man. God see with all them something when me say all them something where you go to. Me I say, no. Me just want one more step for do it. For do it, come on the plane and come to England, come make him look money.
I need to know that, man.
And we're going to go on beer stage show. So you're going to reach America. Because any visa me I get it. Because we're wife and husband. And we're going to travel the world. So them time that she not gonna gear puppy dance. When the money I gonna make me be a problem now. She not and the money I gonna be the problem, you know. And the mind you not gonna mind you putting them time there, you know. Me not send her with dirty Queenie. All sort the wall with dirty, you know, move on the blood, the wall with a dirty blood clot, woman. The wall with pussy stink and the wall with pussy rank. The wall with shit. No can discriminate me. Me not get up and discriminate, woman. Me and my husband pray towards the situation more than one time because I feel bad same can you stop him from see the child. And say God help my pitney dead. That's why them say people are for dead for people live. My fucking pitney dead. I'm a pray to God. My daughter dead the 6th and she reach at Jamaica we do it on the 7th. And I said, Father God, may I beg you please talking I do it baby mother. And make she do it to the pitney. Because that bird with up on my head. Because me I said John Star. Them never betray you. You never want him. The last time you did me, I said to you, the man did love you fine and you come and tear him down, man. Stop it. You set up your friend and to tell me say do that. Tell me all kind of things. Right now, one whole heap of blogger have it say me do I cheat. If do we go fuck and do we go cheat for me never did it, me never see. I mean I have no witness. Me not have no proof. So you know what is fucking truth? Whatever I say my husband is still here. When you get 6 page, do it dead with me last night. Me I go and do it yard now. But me I do it on the camera every night. Me make sure every night me lie down so and him lie down. So anyone that go drop and sleep or wake up with so one another. So what is in the story? I saw me catching her out and know so not tell life I'm a bomber clad husband. You know, leave him, man. Leave him, cause you know all the girls there in England where What you can tell your cousin about do it, you cannot get do it. You know what do it from 2018 and do it in your inbox. And you have your blood clot friend chat do it, and your cousin laugh after blood clot do it. And when you see your cousin tell you, say, you know, see Queenie and do it, you say you have to get him back. You say, God not like ugly. You never even have him. God do not like ugly. And the world on the crawl up because Jamaica man love to go in a girl DM. When me going to look and do with them, the amount of pussy clot girl when me know from England when I'm DM. Before me even know him. What the fuck I can do? But no, get him. There's a difference. I'm his wife. Me not take off my blood clot ring. Because my friend over my ring, my husband, my wedding, I appreciate everything. So I can't nowhere. And him stand by me and very supportive. If I can't do it now and do it tired of me, him just step on the phone and him stay so. I'm gonna talk till thy kingdom come. And I say, here, Mr. Do it? Yes, crazy. You hear that? I still support that. So you can't tell me what me have. Because I appreciate just one little piece of stick. Me go to the door and take up a little piece of stick. I don't think a piece of diamond the way how me behave over a little piece of stick. Just because you see me get do it, and I said June Plum, you never have them little style and them little tactics there. I put him on pedestal and make him get famous. But do it have to create his own stamp. And that's his bleaching stamp, a theme thing that. And trying to see the man arise with them little bleaching something when it does get bad man. Love him. You know if I want him for lunch in bleaching cream, and if it ain't me, I cuss him 100 times, say I'm slow, and it's a crazy man a hug like you. He might take him own time. I'm not stop tear him down and love him, man. Go man. Love him, make him open one bank book and put 100 in there, 100. I'm one son. Nobody else. Do you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, I can't come on the scene, come go like you know what? Demands and blackmail and manipulate and stop it. You know what? I don't still watch me. If you despise somebody, so don't watch us. Me not gonna be the first, and me not gonna be the fucking last. You know, the married to one girl, baby father. Right now, I want woman have my baby father when I have 5 pitney for. Me and her a big friend. I don't have a pinch of blood grudge against her. She show me love and me show her love. And that's my baby father when I dealt for 22 years. If anything happen now, she come and she heal me. Same difference, my baby father, woman when I live with now, she give me a child as well. I don't have to stop it, man. Leave my nice husband and make her cross her own path. Because whatever journey man do, we go with, internet can't help me solve it. No, go dead. No, go hear what me I said to him. No, go hear his voice where I said to me. We have to do it ourselves. Official girl, big up yourself, girl. Sophie, you don't know, big up on yourself. Girl power, leave one connection, boss. Do it nice. Mr. Someone and a day I make complaint to do it. I make complaint to do about in a partner. I say, boy, do you have timey? He's just a genuine soul. And then when you see him now, sit down and listen to him, no one come back and ask him, what am I do with Queenie? But when I do with Uno, I go to counseling or listen to no man story. And allow my husband, man. I say, do you have to tell the big pussy blood clot girl them to send you some credit? I tell them to send you £50. And him say, who we are talking to crazy? I say, but you have them on the phone door. Make them blood clot. What are you doing? Go ahead. And him now beg, no. I want to know. Right now, I can name about 15 blood clot girl in London, yeah. What in I do with them? And that one I send him 2 boxers or 2 marina. Who I tell do it, say them I look fuck off him and him not to tell me. I said, do it. Tell them to send you £100 or £50 blood clot pound. Not my husband. So no go and come out of him inbox. Because I want to mash up me and him. But my med's too deep. My love do it too much. Me understand life too much. So instead of me hold grudge against you know, but post it to my husband. I do don't waste your energy with these girls because them have a screenshot message. Because do love say wagwan sexy girl. And just that alone, we are gonna put things to it. All if my fucking live far phone, do not take insult. Do it that boy easy for shame. The first time they will come look for me. Me telling her all the while. And him say, what? I'm double tap queen. And I say, oh, this him say, your man. And I say, I have no man. I don't want no man. If you come look for me, come look for me. I'm tell him. And him go here. And 2 weeks after him say, I go try back. But at the end of a good day, him just take him time and go. Some man, they must say, what? When them done with blood clot, you're tired of them and running. So I leave my husband alone. What is for me can't be for none of you. Because none of them crazy like blood clot me. Do we know some pussy picture sent out before? Honestly, I send do him a pussy picture. Before do we meet me? Him know about it. So sense no make. No make no sense. And the pussy that you not double tap. The sweetest song pan God earth, the sweetest pussy song. Say my pussy clean, say my pussy fat. Now the pussy when my son on make the song come. So when I'm gonna send it back to my husband and I tell him say him there with one drunker. Him there with one strong black woman, me no fuck.